Get it, I got it, I'm popping everybody. Look at me now. Look at me now. Everyone look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Everyone look at me now. Look at me now. You ain't on me cause I'm popping. Cause I got money in my pocket.
Tell me about yourself. Where you from? How's your childhood like? Are you qualified for this job? If you want to be signed to JJ Redick's company, JJ Redick Artist Company, we looking for good prospects. What you got to bring to the table? You know, I'm from Calipo, Georgia. Calipo, you know. You can always order that 4 for 4, 5 for 5, 6 for 6, 7 for 7. You know, I'll be like, man, you know, back in my old days, bro, back when I was a little jit, bro, childhood was tough, man. I used to grow up in the slums, bro. I'm slow nothing to play with, man. Now I'm home for get rich, bro. Like, look, man, no cap. No cap. I think Alright, let's see what you got. I'm gonna bring out my old faithful here. Hey, turn it up, man. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God. I'm not playing these games. Better stay 6 feet away from me or I'm gonna slap you in the face. Don't blame it on the allergies. Don't blame it on the pollen, boy. You better stop playing with me or you end up 6 feet in the coffin. Hand sanitizer. Go hop on this beat. You go kill it, man. You know, these people got me bent, bro. Talking about... Bro, alright, bro. Do you need some medication? Do you need some chill? We gon' fight this together. We gon' figure out a cure. I ain't playing no game. Shoot my shot like I am Curry. I'm gonna use my gun to keep away them germs. Away, 99% to be exact. The rest of them... Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God. I'm not playing these games. Better stay 6 feet away from me. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God. That sounds like Corona. Whoa. That sounds like Corona. Oh my God.
Look at me now. Everyone look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Everyone look at me now. Look at me now. You ain't on me cause I'm popping. Cause I got money in my pocket.